Hello! Welcome back to Mustard Temper Dreams. I am Neha and today we are going to make an ISD. Matlab, Indian Standard Dish. This dish is one of the most popular Indian dishes worldwide. I am talking about the ever famous Aloo Gobi. And today we are going to make it with a healthier twist, where instead of deep frying the potatoes and the cauliflower, we are going to roast them in the oven. So let's get started.
In a baking tray, I'm adding the florets of one big cauliflower and also 3 potatoes that I have cubed evenly. Over this, I'm going to sprinkle some salt, some black pepper and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm going to gently rub in the salt, pepper and the turmeric into the cauliflower and the potatoes. Then I'm going to drizzle some oil and then mix it again with my hands, making sure everything is properly coated. Spreading them evenly on the tray, I'm going to bake the cauliflower and the potatoes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes.
While the potatoes and the cauliflower are roasting in the oven, let's prepare our masala.
In a pan, heat about 3 tablespoons of oil.
We'll start by crackling some cumin seeds in the hot oil.
To this, add a pinch of Asafoetida and a tablespoon of freshly pounded ginger garlic paste. Then saute this for about 30 seconds.
When the raw smell of the garlic goes away, we'll then add the onions.
When the onions soften, we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, and 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix thoroughly on medium heat, careful not to burn the spices. And finally, mix in the garam masala.
When the masalas are nicely roasted, we'll then add the tomato puree. You can even use chopped tomatoes, but I like the puree better.
Let's mix in the tomato puree, and as it comes to a simmer, let's go check on our cauliflower and the potatoes.
Look at how beautifully these have roasted. They smell so good.
Now that the tomato puree is bubbling and the masala is done, we can add the roasted cauliflower and the potatoes. Mix them in nicely with the gravy. When thoroughly mixed, add a teaspoon of Amchur or dry mango powder. Then add some Kasuri Methi or dry Fenugreek leaves. Garnish with a generous amount of coriander leaves before serving. Enjoy it with roti, naan, parathas or even dal rice.
So how did you like my Aloo Gobi? Do let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mustard Temper Dreams.